I think macaws are the best. No, I think hummingbirds are the best. Macaws! Hummingbirds! Macaws! Hummingbirds! Macaws! Hummingbirds! Macaws? Hummingbirds! Do you know what? What? You just love hummingbirds just because they're the smallest birds in the world doesn't mean that you should love them too much. Oh, do you think that is so easy? I love hummingbirds ever since I was a child, like 4 years old. And you love macaws just to get them a little piece, and because you always said keeping them laughing and dreaming. Is that how I meant to say? No. You always said I love parrots. That's better. Shut up, you! Don't you say that word. Hey, I can say it whatever I want. Hey, I know the reason that you love hummingbirds is because you are a hummingbird lover. Oh, do you think that is bad enough? I love hummingbirds ever since I was a child. Only like 4 years old. And you love them because you gave them happiness and kindness. And you always flipping around and dreamy. Oh, that sounds awful. Did you know what it's like to love macaws? And do you know what it's like to love hummingbirds? Oh, please.